Okay, let's get started. So I have about a pound to a pound and a half of hamburger that I'm browning. Now if you notice my little device, it's called a chopster. I'll link it below because it's my favorite. Next I'm going to add 1 onion that I've diced up. Now my hamburger is cooked about halfway when I added my onions, so then I can cook my onions and my meat together. So while that's cooking, I'm going to start adding things to my stock pot. So I have 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Now I'm going to add about a cup of celery, chopped celery, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of tomato sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then a dry packet of chili. Then you're going to mix in a little bit of water and mix it together and put it right onto the stovetop. Once your meat is done browning, go ahead and pour it into the stock pot. Now all you have to do is mix it really well, put the lid on, and let it simmer on low to medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. The smell will fill up your whole entire house. It is so good. Now for my favorite part, the toppings. So I love to add a little bit of cheese on top and a little bit of Fritos on top. Our mom always served it with her homemade breadsticks, but you can serve it with whatever you want. Alright guys, don't forget, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and check out more of our videos. See you next time!